The number of times that I get asked by wedding pros, how can I book high-end clients? How do I break into the luxury market? How do I get clients who are willing to just pay without all the complaining and, the price shopping and asking for discount? Well, I'm going to share a tool that I've shared before, but I'm going to reintroduce that tool for you today. Hi, I'm Jodianne Rowe. I'm the founder of the Event Certificate, and today I want to bring you a video by Kaann Howden, who is the founder and CEO of 3D Event Renders. And here's the thing, I've brought Kaann on this channel before. I brought her on when she was doing the 3D Mockup workshop, which is still available, and she showed you guys exactly how she used it in her client process, because Kaann is an event planner and she does a ton of events like you guys watching. The other thing too is once she leveled up from that process and started doing it in 3D, I also brought her back to show you how to do it in 3D. But I'm bringing her back again because this time, guys, I've walked through the program myself and I think it's absolutely amazing. So I decided to partner with Kaann because that's how much I believe in it, and that's why we're bringing it to you today. So here's what we're going to do. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the platform and the software. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. I had Kaann actually record a mock-up that she was doing for a client who has a venue and have a ceremony coming up. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you exactly how to get access because there's no gatekeeping here. Here's the thing. If you're in a crowded market where you're constantly competing, especially if you're in a major city, you're competing with a ton of planners and everyone's trying to stand out, this is an opportunity to do that. It's an opportunity to actually show clients that you're not only unique, but you're a notch above everybody else. Now imagine everyone is shopping around, they're looking for a planner and they're going from different planners and they're coming to you, they go to other planners and everybody's sending back maybe a mock-up mood board, a Pinterest board, stuff like that, and you send back a 3D video mock-up, right? Walking them through what their event could be. Believe me, you don't have to use this just for high-end clients. Now, we do have a lot of planners in there that use it for high-end clients. Like one of the planners in there, she specifically used it for her celebrity clients who like a mock-up of an event space before they get there. They want to know, where do you stand? Where are the corners? What's the best angle for my photos? So eventually, if you're not that, you'll get there eventually, you'll get those clients. But you can still use this for your smaller budget clients, just to kind of give them a quick look of what that might look like. It might just be a mock-up of a backdrop for a birthday party, right? But it will allow you to stand out. In addition to that, for clients who you're already booked with, this is an opportunity to really take your client experience up a notch because it's completely different from what everyone is offering. The client feels like they're a part of the process. They can get excited before the day of the event and they feel like they can completely trust you because you have a clear idea of what you're using it to do. The biggest advantage of this, though, I find, guys, if you're working with vendors or you have teams or you just have multiple people involved, it's a wonderful opportunity to share with them what your vision is so that everyone is on the same page, right? Because I know sometimes you're doing an event, you have a design idea in your head, you know what you want, you're standing there directing people. Imagine if you could just give them a video and be like, guys, this is what the setup is going to look like. Here's what you want to do. Just run through the video. If you have any questions, come back to me. That's a completely different conversation than what you're usually having. Am I right? Well, I'm going to just hop off and not even talk about this any longer because, as I said, I want you to see it. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, because I know every time I see her create a design, I'm blown away. Now, before you come with the objections, like, let me just say, I know this is a new piece of technology that you're going to have to learn, but the great thing about this is, unlike some of the other 3D platforms out there, this is not just you signing up for a program and learn it on your own. The program is actually tied to a course where Kaann is walking you step by step through your designs, like how to create a wedding ceremony, how to come up with designs ideas. She actually touches on AI. She actually shows you how you can take something that you've discussed with a client, put that into an AI program to generate an idea, and use that to create a 3D mock-up. And guys, my mind was blown. Like, I didn't even know that you could do that with ChatGPT and other tools, right? But I learned it. In addition to that, you also have access to a design community. Right now, the design community have over 2,000 members in there. People are coming in and asking questions. How do I do this? How do I change this? You have access to people as well as to Kaann that can actually hold your hand and say, oh, well, maybe you want to change that centerpiece or move it here. Or have you thought about doing this, right? Just to hold your hand and help you through the process. Because community is honestly one of the best ways to grow your business, right? There's no gatekeeping. You have other people who are going through the same process as you, and you're learning together. Best part of it. Then you have Kaann, who is honestly, I say this because I love her, but I say this also because I've seen what she does, right? She's an amazingly creative person. Her mind is like nothing else. Like, she'll create a design, and I'm just like, how did you even come up with that? Well, even better is that you have access to her. And in addition to that, she's also doing monthly design challenge. So if you're thinking, you know what, maybe I'm not the best designer, I'm just trying, I'm learning, this program is not for me, the design challenge are also amazing for that, because every month she gives you a new design and she walks you how she creates it. You get to create it on your own, and everybody's learning together. Can you think about a better opportunity to do something like that? So here's the thing. As event planners and wedding planners, whatever your industry is, it's always a new technology you have to learn, right? And this is why it's important to have that level of support. The other thing too, I know you might be short on time, so something that can bring that learning curve down as flat as possible is a great thing to do. And I've been into some of these other softwares and programs. They do not compare. One, they do not have the level of support, and that makes a huge difference in what you're offering. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop the link to how you can actually sign up for the platform and access the course down below in the description, but I'm also going to link it on the screen. So if you have any questions, just click on over and get answered over there, but you can also drop them below this video. I'll be here monitoring and answer them for you. And guys, I really hope that you take advantage of this opportunity to access something that I know will really change your business and change the type of clients that you're able to attract, but also to change the working relationship and experience that you're able to give to your existing clients. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified of more videos like this one week after week.